What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another video of mine. Gabby here, if you guys are new. So we're actually here at my shop, and today's gonna be kind of a sad video because I have to leave the shop, unfortunately. So that's today's video, is that we're gathering up whatever kind of tools and stuff that I have here at the shop and moving it to another one. The reason being isn't because there's any bad juju or anything like that. Due to some finances and some stuff with the leases with the owner of these shops, they would have to be doubling the rent, and I am just unfortunately not at a place financially to be able to do that. I genuinely love the shop. I have so many good memories here. I've had this thing for like 5 years. It is kind of far away from where I live currently, so we do have a garage at where I live now, so I'm very excited to have something close by to my house to go ahead and work on my cars. So I'm just gathering up all my stuff. I'll show you guys what I have. It's not a whole lot, but kind of a lot. We'll get it fit in a U-Haul. Obviously, we bring in the CRX. Hooray! Bring in our home. I have a block, a trunk, some CRX parts up there and there. And then here we just have another trunk full of car parts. This is an extra seats. All of this stuff here is mine, so this will be taken with me. Obviously my toolbox. This is actually nice because it's in 2 pieces, so I don't have to do the whole thing all at once. Some other small accessory stuff here. I actually realized I don't have that much stuff, and most of it is like old parts and trash, so maybe we'll do some spring cleaning while we're at it too. Backing up, backing up, backing up. She's packed and ready to come home. Well, almost. But you know what I'm saying. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye, shop. Goodbye, sandblaster. Goodbye, drill presses. Goodbye, welders. Goodbye, shop. I will miss you genuinely here. I will miss you so much and all of the amazing experiences and memories that I have here. But I'm ready to make some new memories. Let's go ahead and get unpacked. How beautiful all of this stuff is going to fit in here. It is much, much smaller than what I'm used to, but it is mine. I can put all my stuff in here, and it's literally right across the street from where I live, so it's perfect. Perfect for me. I'll have like my toolboxes over here, and like my jacks and my jack stands and everything, but I'm not nearly gonna have as many tools as I had access at the other shop, so we're gonna have a lot of tools to fill up in here. So go ahead and comment below some of y'all's favorite tool brands and why, so I can hit them up and buy some cool tools. This is it. This is the new garage spot for now. Thankfully, because the CRX is so small, I have a lot more room back here than I had anticipated, which is awesome. It means I'll have room for the Subaru to do Subaru stuff too. Unfortunately, there is like some mold here, so the complex is gonna come fix all this, so I had to leave this space open for them. so they can go ahead and fix that so I don't get sick or anything, especially with all this corona going around. But I'm very, very excited for this. It's right next to where I live. It's right here. It is a bit smaller, and I did have to leave, like, you know, a shop that had all these awesome tools and air compressors and welder, sandblaster, like all this awesome stuff. But sometimes you gotta make sacrifices, but I'm very excited for this, to have my own dedicated space, fill it with tools that I like, that I'm gonna use, that are good, that are new. I'm very, very excited about this. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. This is my garage. I'm very excited, and I will do like a mini garage tour, or like organize my garage once I have the time to do that. I'll have to wait for them to fix the mold before I can go ahead and really organize things the way that I really want to. But again, so happy to be here. I'm very, very excited. It's perfect time for this quarantine too. So I don't have to drive anywhere. I can just work on my car, sleep, eat, same. Don't have to change. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.